When going to a public place, you make sure that your purse is secured at all times. Most people don't even have to think about it any longer. But what happens when we apply this behavior to the online world? How can you make sure that your personal belongings are safe? How can we ensure that our sensitive data is protected? Data scandals happen frequently and will likely continue to do so in the future. More and more people are realizing that carelessness online can lead to real consequences. Corporations capitalize on the accumulation of their customers' personal information, and criminals look for weak spots. As long as there's no rethinking in politics and the tech industry, users will have to take the protection of their data into their own hands. Security isn't just about the tools you use or the software you install. It begins with developing an understanding of the unique threats you face and how to counter them. Security planning helps you to identify what of your information is of value to others and determine whom you need to protect it from. The following advice should be considered when dealing with privacy issues in digital, social, or communicational environments. Always follow the principles of data avoidance and data minimization. Never provide personal data, and if you must, provide as little as possible. Always activate as many privacy protection settings as possible. Never share other people's personal information or data, for example private photos, videos and messages, without their explicit consent. Always report suspicious users that try to convince you to share your personal information. Keep in mind that your security plan can change as your situation changes. Thus, revisiting your security plan frequently is good practice. That is the way to become a responsible digital citizen.